So I just came back from service. Guess what? I love my dress. The interesting part of this dress is I got to use just a yard of fabric for the inner part. That's for the decorative fabric. Then I mixed it with a doll face. And I really love the sleeve. Though I had to manage the fabric, but I was able to still achieve getting a drama sleeve. Before we see how I made this cup sleeve, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, tap on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to cut out the shape of the sleeve like so. I used 7 inches for the length, and then for the curved edge, I measured around the armhole of the dress. I started exactly from the point I wanted the sleeve to stop at the back and front region. Afterwards, I added the gathers allowance to it by multiplying the measurement I got by 2 or 3. So if you have enough fabric, you can use 3 inches or more so that it can create more volume. But for me, I was actually managing my fabric. I multiplied what I got by 2 inches, and then the total that it gave to me was what I measured at the curve. So the next thing you want to do afterwards is to cut out 2 panels for the right and the left sleeve, and then you cut the lining for it. Now you also want to iron a paper stay. You can use a paper stay, but I used a collar stay. It gives it that standing effect. Next, use your needle and thread to make a straight stitch round the curved edge to form the gathers. Make sure that you measure 1.5 inches from the ends of the sleeve. That's because you don't want the gathers to get to the very tip, to the very end of the cup. So that's the part I'm indicating, 1.5 on both sides. So you can see it's already coming out as I'm gathering it. The shape of the cup sleeve is coming out as expected. You cut your thread and then you make knots. Make sure you're drawing that thread to form the gathers properly, and then you have to knot it so that the gathers does not loosen out. And now our cup sleeve is ready. Next, we need to attach our sleeve to the body of the dress. Make sure the center of the sleeve aligns with the tip of the shoulder. Once you're done sewing, this is how it should look. So guys, yeah, this is the finished look. Can you see? You can't even believe this was just made with a yard of fabric, and I mixed it with this doll face fabric. And the best part of this dress is the sleeve. Yeah, so guys, if you do like this dress, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.